Hey guys, good morning. Just want to show you the signals that came out here recently. Here's the start of the session. Euro USD. So we'll see what happens soon. And GJ. The squares, those are signals too. Those are just the more risky signals. Signal there, just a little while ago. Server time here is 7:30. 6 o'clock server time. Really good signal so far. Missed all of them, but here's UJ. Strong signal here with that dark colored sell signal. GU. Bitcoin. Breakout signal here. There's a good signal there. Big run down. Here's gold. Good breakout signal there. Lots of liquidity to take, so this would have been a good signal. That's kind of one of the rules with the breakout signals. Nice signal down here, but oh yeah, kind of takes out this little order block here. This is how the signals are supposed to look. This is actually part of the, you want it to take out kind of a high like this, have a run down, come back up, and then get the reversal. So this is actually how it's supposed to work out right there. Look at this one up here, eh? That was just this morning too. Nice, you can go back and pause on each one of these pairs, just quickly scanning through it. GA, really nice signal. This is all 1 minute stuff. Here, I'll switch over to 5 minute. We'll see what shows up on the 5. So 5 minute here. These breakout signals, they want to stretch down into this big liquidity candle. There's a nice signal, hey? Wow, right on. Sell signal here. Yeah, so I got four for the same signal for the indicator. I'm just waiting to find the right chart, and I'll explain why I got 5 of the same indicators set up here. 1 second. Nice breakout signals on the 5 minute for the US 30 there yesterday. Okay, so yeah, the dark colored ones, those are supposed to be the higher quality indicator signals. And then the next down would be these red ones, right where my mouse cursor is. And then next would be these ones here, just the more transparent ones. And then the more risky ones would just be the black squares. So that's the order. So there's a few of the 5 minute charts. And like I said, this is actually how it works. Like you want to see a rundown like this, come back up. Hey, I just had to pause the video for a second. Oops. So yeah, anyhow. So what you want to see is it come down like this, come back up, and wait for it to take out some substantial tops or get near to it. Tap into that order block, which would be right about here. So yeah, there's a really good signal. Here it gives you a signal, takes out this little high, and you can see it didn't really get you anywhere. So look for something like this when it takes out a more prominent high. That's what you want. This one here took out these tops here. That's where most people place their stop losses because they think it's going down here at this point. So there's a lot of liquidity here. And so yeah, this would have been a really good signal. And you can see it just moves right down. Go on to the next chart. So this signal here takes out this little low and then just runs up a little tiny bit. Good buy signal down here. What does that take out, I wonder? Let's move over. So it's a black line. What does it take out? From a long time ago. It's right here. It's the start of a big move up. So that's interesting, eh? It's this move right here. And wow, look at that, eh? Oh my gosh. Crazy. So if you just did something like this, 1 to 7, just go back and look at that again. I mean, like the best part about these signals is, you don't have to sit in front of the chart. You get the notification, get the alert, it comes on your phone, and then that's when you view the chart, check it out, and see if it is a good signal, see if it's a good opportunity, because there's so many opportunities. You can set it for however you want, the safer signals or the more risky signals. So, but yeah, really good signal there. Yeah, I think we'll end the video there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to get some alerts. I might be sending out some of these alerts like on like a live stream so that you guys can benefit from them. So yeah, hit the notification bell if you want. Cheers, everybody. Bless.